Hello everyone. Now I'm gonna make a presentation about fundamentals and history of control. It is my presentation outline. I'm gonna start with definition of control. Then I will say something about the evolution of control, evolution process from past to present. Then I will say something about future of control, and finally, I'm gonna explain where do I see myself in control. Let's start. Before defining control, I want to say something about inventions. People did a lot of inventions to make their life easier. Actually, one of the most important invention is wheels, of course. Thanks to invention of wheels, they also developed the simple cars you can see on figure 1.1. Where is the control then? A famous phrase used to define control as they built them but we make them intelligent. In this case, they built the simple car and thanks to control we make them intelligent, you can see on figure 1.2. So, control provides the ability to regulate a system as you want. If you know how to control, you can control anything. Everything actually. To know control process, you have to answer an important question, and it is, how do you get a system to do what you want? I want to explain control system logic in an example you can see on figure 1.3. This figure shows a car driving process. In car driving process, a controller is our driver, and if the controller want to increase the speed, what he or she is gonna do, he or she have to push the gas more, and then system response will be acceleration. It is the logic of control system. In this case, I also add some disturbance like a wind, and you have to know disturbance means. Disturbance is some unexpected cases that affect the system's behavior actually. Like this. And I want to give an example about control system in daily life. For example, I'm using manual car in daily life and I'm increasing or decreasing my gear. If I do not want to make it by myself, I can use automatic transmission, and automatic transmissions works thanks to control. And it's a good example for control systems. Now let's talk about the evolution of control. Control started from early 20th century. In these years, engineers began to understand that importance of the system's output is very good on understanding the system's behavior, and it was the big thing in control history. You can see on figure 2.1, it was the James Watt governor to control the speed of steam engine, and it's also one of the most important inventions in control history. After World War II, a classical control theory emerged. We all know classical control from Control Theory 1 course. In that course, we did a lot of calculations on PID controllers, and PID controllers occurred in these years. In the middle of the 20th century, computers became more common, and in this way, control theory getting more modernized. In the past, we were using deterministic models and mathematical equations, but in modern control, our aim shifted to state space models. You can see on figure 2.2. In this term on Control Theory 2 course, we are gonna spend a lot of effort on state space models. While the 20th century ends, adaptive control theory emerged. In adaptive control theory, a system can adjust their parameters according to the environmental cases, and it's also a big thing in control. What about future of control? In the future, learning-based control systems will be more common. In this way, artificial intelligence will create its own model or entire system. I think that these developments might provide a new era in control history. As you can see on figure 3.1, artificial intelligence creating its own model. I want to give a specific example for future of control. As you can see on figure 3.2, Robot Police makes his own decisions on Detroit Become Human video game. This video game actually based on future of technology after Industry 4.0, and I believe that all those things will be real in the future. And finally, where do I see myself in control? In the future, I want to work on development and management of industrial automation and robotics system. You can see on figure 4.1 automation systems in the automotive industry, and on figure 4.2 robotic systems from Rochester Institute of Technology. In the future, I don't know what is gonna happen, but I might work on these industry sectors. That's all I can say about. I hope you like my presentation, and these are my references in this research. Thank you so much.